Greetings from the sea. This is Torpesand Strand in Varmdö, and today is 12th of September. Right now it is 3 p.m. and I am the only person on the beach, and it looks so amazing. Yes, the beach adventures with Kris continue, and it is my second day of my 30-day card with SL. So I decided to come to the sea today. Actually, I was on the sea yesterday as well, but in Osterrocka. I have missed Varmdö so much, and I just can't believe I'm here. It was around 1.5 hour journey to get here with metro and one bus from Stockholm. And I have no idea how warm or cold it is in the sea, but even if it's cold, this view is amazing and I definitely want to see more of it. So I'm gonna head and throw the thermometer inside to get a more accurate measurement as I am showing you more of this beauty. This beach was full with people in July when I was here the last time, and yeah, now there is nobody here. And it is quite warm actually. It is 19 degrees Celsius on this Friday, and despite having a quite cloudy morning and a bit rainy, now the sun is up, so let's then have a swim together in the beautiful Baltic Sea. This is. Let's see if we can get a measurement right now, so I can take out the thermometer as well. Oh, it's quite chilly. Let's see, what do we have here? Oh, okay. 18 degrees Celsius, 18.5, but I'm going to wrap to 18 degrees. And as you can see, the sun is on and off. Yeah, that's how it is. And yeah, I waited a bit for the sun to reappear so that we can continue the beach adventure with some sun on this 12th of September and beach the number 111. 111. So I'm so happy. Let's then hit the waters, because this is the beach adventures with Kris, and of course I'm going to go for a swim in the sea on this beautiful September day, and technically still summer. So yeah, here the bottom is sandy, as you can see, and the beach looks amazing as well. There is some algae or plants, plants that has been taken out to the sea, and here it is so clear, the water. And I remember I was here several times before. It's always beautiful. It's always amazing to be on this beach. Now I won't be swimming that long, even though it's 18 degrees, still warm indeed for this time of the year. But the view is absolutely stunning here at Torpesand Strand, as you can see. The water, the bottom is sandy, as I mentioned, and I can see it looks like a desert. Not sure if you're able to see. It looks like how the sand is in a desert. So yeah, I'm exploring Varmdö, and let's see where I end up tomorrow on a Saturday. The weather is going to be a bit questionable in the upcoming days, but hopefully there will be some sun here and there to make sure that I can enjoy a bit more on the beaches. So yeah, quite shallow also as well. I'm still walking, but it will be amazing to go inside very soon. And yeah, the beach adventures will continue, don't worry, even though the weather will be bad. And yeah, I think it's now good enough to dive in. So from Torpesand Strand, that used to be a Danish beach before apparently, but not anymore, it's time to go into the sea. That's amazing. Quite warm. I didn't think it's gonna be this warm. It's amazing. Beautiful. Beautiful. Amazing. I'm so happy right now. It was really the right choice to come to Torpesand Strand and enjoy a day out on the sea. I may do even some swimming here because the water is quite okay, I would say. So with this view, it's time to wrap up another beach adventure, this time from the sea. And I'm so happy that now I can explore the beaches that are quite far away from my home. This one is around 45 kilometers from my home. So I wouldn't be cycling here because it would take me 90 kilometers to go back and forth. And yeah, greetings from Torpesand Strand. It's time for me to enjoy more on the beach and maybe swim later 10 minutes in the water. So greetings everyone, hope you're having a wonderful day or evening wherever you are, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures